What's up, everybody? I got a quick update on the Obama Kush. Well, we made it past the hard part, and this girl is moving slow and steady. So today I'll be turning the gears up a notch. Plus, I'm going to show you a new LST method that my friend taught me. Lock in. This round, I'm growing Obama Kush by Lunatic genetics. It's a nearly 100% indica cross between Afghani and OG Kush, and I had no idea about this, but its roots can be traced back to two of the most famous landrace strains. First, you've got OG Kush, a descendant of Hindu Kush, and Afghani, a descendant of Afghan Kush, making Obama Kush some extremely potent medicine for insomnia, stress, and pain relief. Let's go. We got the 4x4 ready and hooked up some dual light action. Big thanks to Mars Hydro, by the way. These lights came in clutch and the plants are thriving under the full spectrum. Now let's talk about this Coco. I mixed in some mycorrhizae and organic nutrients, but what I didn't do was pre-buffer the Coco with CalMag. You see, Coco can actually steal nutrients away from your plants, so before you start growing in Coco, you need to load it up with nutrients. Otherwise, you'll have deficiencies and slow growth. That's exactly what happened here. And now these things are growing slow as Christmas, but we kept pressing on, and here we are on day 52. Today I'm gonna low stress train the plants using this grommet tool. Just poke a small hole, put in your grommet and a washer, then use the grommet tool to lock it in, and you're done. Then I'm using soft organic hemp string to tie it down. I just tie one end to the grommet and then bend the plant at a 90-degree angle, exposing the bottom growth, and then tie the other end of the string to the top of the plant. Next, I defoliate it to expose the bottom growth to more light, because more light exposure means faster growth. And then I topped her to encourage more branching. Then I worked with ChatGPT on a feeding schedule for the rest of veg. We decided to crank up the nitrogen and CalMag over the next 2 weeks and then slowly dial it back as we start flowering. This will make sure that we don't have any deficiencies and also restore the nutrient balance in the Coco. ChatGPT also reminded me that Coco is completely different from soil, and Coco needs to stay moist, otherwise we'll see slow growth and signs of stress. So to maintain a consistent daily watering schedule, I set up a drip irrigation system with some tubing and a small pump I had laying around. It ain't nothing crazy, but it keeps the water pumping. This will make sure the plants get the daily nutrition that they need to thrive. Day 54, we've only been on the drip for 2 days and you can already see improvements. The leaves are perky and green. Leave a comment below if you've ever grown with drip irrigation. In my opinion, if you're growing in Coco, drip irrigation is the way to go. Instead of relying on me to feed them every day, now it's getting a consistent feeding. Not only are they on autopilot, but it's like growing on easy mode. Day 60, we're officially on week 8. So the plan is to veg for maybe 1 more week and then flip them to flower. So if you're hyped to see some buds, drop a like and subscribe, because the next episode is coming up right after this.